Look what I just got in the mail. It's this month's paper pumpkin kit called Painted Petals, July 2024. I'm pretty excited about this because they've been showing us little sneak previews and it comes in this gorgeous box. So I thought we could see what's inside together. So this is the monthly subscription kit from Stampin' Up. It's called Paper Pumpkin. You can order it from my website and you will get options to subscribe for a year, which is the cheapest way to do it, or I think 3 months or month by month. And each month this kit will come to you. You won't exactly know what's going to be in the kit, so I don't exactly know what's going to be in here, but they will give you a little bit of a preview. So they showed us this box and told us it was a floral card kit. And during that preview period, you can suspend your subscription, so you could skip that month if you know for sure it's something you're not interested in. But honestly, every single one I've gotten is better than the last one. So I'm just loving this. And I will have a night later this month to get together with others that have purchased this and make this kit. And I'll try and do that every month. So right now is the time to be signing up for the August kit. You have until August 10th to sign up. Then it'll get mailed to you and you'll receive it the middle of August. And then we can have a night together at the end of August to make these. So let's look inside. Usually the boxes are not printed like this, so this is special. But they do come with everything you need. So this one has a gray granite stamp pad, stamp spot. And then it has a little stamp set with it. It might be hard to see. It says, "I'm so lucky to have you in my life. You are simply the best." That one I can't read because I was looking at it upside down. "Friends like you make life beautiful." And "let's celebrate soon." And "hello," and a little flower. And then the only thing you really need to complete these kits is a block, an acrylic block for the stamps, but you can use so many things. You can just look around and find something. Like for instance, I have this little craft box sitting on my desk. I could put the stamp on the bottom of this and use that. I saw somebody last month use a wine glass, and I just happen to have a wine glass right here. So they use the bottom of the stem of the wine glass to stamp their stamps. And so then, and some of the kits have stamping, some of them don't. If they do have stamping, they will give you the ink with it. And then it comes packaged. So I'm not going to be making this tonight. We're just opening to see. And so this has the card bases and envelopes. And we'll have instructions on the back here. Oh, these are beautiful. So the instructions are going to show us what the finished cards will look like. Sorry about that. Oh, here's the, I should have pulled this out first. Here's the little image of the stamps that are in there. So that's nice. I can use this and keep that together so I know what the stamps look like. And then these are gorgeous. So it looks like we're going to make 9 cards, 3 of 3 different designs. One with daisies, one with these beautiful pink flowers, and this one with, I would call it peachy colored flowers. You can see very detailed instructions, step by step with pictures. And then along the side of this, there's a ruler that can be handy. And then let's take a look at what these look like. So it looks like we have punch outs for these beautiful flowers. So we'll be punching this out of the background there and putting them, I'm sure, on our cards. And then these look like little punch outs that we'll be stamping the sentiments on. So they're already cut to shape. Here's another one that's got designs on it. Oh, I see. And then each of these card bases go with the punch outs. So these are the daisy ones. And then the rose colored ones. And then the peach colored ones. These are beautiful cards without doing anything to it. So the backs have color on them, and then coordinating envelopes with the colors and the flowers on the front. This is going to be amazing. Amazing. So I am really glad I ordered this. Each month just keeps getting better. It also comes with some little iridescent sequins that we'll be using for bling. Some little 3D tape strips and some mini dimensionals. So what I've found is every kit has really everything you need to make right in it. The only thing extra is a stamping block. And once you have one of those, that's all you need. And like I said, you can improvise. Maybe I'll show you that when I make this kit. And then a little added bonus. Stampin' Up! Has been having these small die kits that you can order, and they will work with like 3 months of paper pumpkin. And so I can see this one actually would work. All 3 of these could work with this kit. So there's a hooray, a beautiful leaf, and then a little flower design. And that could easily be added to this just for that little extra, step it up a little bit. So I am thrilled with this kit, as I have been with the others. Again, right now, this was the kit you would have signed up for before July 10th. So if you got it, hooray for you. And look forward to making that together with you. And if you didn't, now's the time to think about signing up for next month. Again, before August 10th, you'll want to get signed up. Just send me an email if you have any questions about it or any difficulties. My email is tina@blueberrycanary.com, and I'm happy to help you walk through it. And then you'll get your kit. What's today, like the 16th? So around the middle of August, you'll get the kit. And then I'll set a date and an event, and we can make it together later in August. This one I'll be making in the last week of July, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like all made. But this is a beautiful kit, and these cost $25, approximately $25 a month. It's a little less when you order a longer subscription, and so 9 cards for $25 is a really great deal, and these are clearly top of the line, beautiful cards. Send me an email if you have any questions. Let me know if you've purchased this kit, and I'd love to get together with you and add you to the group. Have a great day.